welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you picture not opening in Photoshop. In this picture could not complete your request because it is not the right kind of document. So we can just take a step open with Paint. Save as JPEG. Just picture. Close it. Picture here.